Begin your day early, ideally rising between 5 and 6 a.m. Start by drinking a full glass of water to rehydrate and wake up your body. Step outside for a few minutes to absorb natural morning light. Then fuel yourself with a protein-rich breakfast to set a strong foundation for the day ahead. Spend 5 to 10 minutes in quiet meditation to clear your mind and establish focus. If time permits, add a short workout or light movement session to activate your energy and improve alertness. Enjoy coffee or tea if it is part of your routine, then move directly into deep, distraction-free work that requires your highest level of concentration. At lunchtime, read a few pages from a book to stimulate your thinking while eating a meal centered on protein with limited carbohydrates. Afterward, take another short walk outdoors to refresh your senses and reconnect with daylight. Make time to engage with family or close friends to strengthen personal bonds. Dedicate part of your afternoon or evening to a creative practice, such as writing, drawing, or music, to keep your imagination active. For dinner, choose a balanced meal with adequate protein and moderate quality carbohydrates. As night approaches, take magnesium about an hour before sleep to support relaxation. Avoid screens and artificial light during this time. Reflect on what you accomplished during the day, plan priorities for tomorrow, and finish with slow, controlled breathing to calm your nervous system. Aim to be in bed between 9 and 10 p.m., allowing your body and mind sufficient rest to sustain long-term growth and self-discipline.